Hi from me, Dina. And just very quickly, I just want to thank you for being on this journey with me. Just want to thank you for signing up on this video workshop. Even if you don't know me, I really am honored that you did. And I hope that it has brought value to you. And just to remind you that, of course, to everything that comes an end, and today is the deadline. As you may have seen in the headline, the subject line of your email, today is the deadline for signing up for this workshop. It's happening next week, 2 workshops next week, 2 workshops the week after for you to choose from. And at $297, it's really a steal of a deal to have it done in 4.5 hours, your whole year planned. But it's not about the money. It's about what it gets you. It's about the peace of mind that it gets you, how to look at your business differently that it gets you. And even if you are a seasoned business owner, the ultimate thing that it gives you, the ultimate benefit, is that it makes your life easier. It makes your life easier in the sense that you are looking at your business, you know where you're going. You can really spend less time, or let me rather say, less unnecessary time in your business. Being more structured, more focused, and that will free up your time. As things happen in your business, in your life, you can easily adjust your business program to see where you're going next. And yes, I just wanted to remind you that the deadline is today, and I really hope to see you in the workshop. And getting it done in 4.5 hours, you're here planned. You're going to have a great break in December over the holidays, and know that you will hit the road running in January. Thank you again for being with me. All the best. God bless. And have a wonderful holiday season.